Bantu bakithi Skim Nation, Bathu bami. It's about that time. It is time to win with pragmatic plays, drops and wins. With drops and wins, win prizes that can drop completely at the random on any spin at any given time. To get into the action, all what you have to do is to play in the selected pragmatic play games. Just remember, any bet you can play could be the lucky one. Click the pinned link in the comment section below. And don't forget to use the promo code SKWM. The competition, it ends on the 19th of November 2025. Keep well and stay blessed as we going back to the episode. Kanjalo Dangi South Africa athi nginibikele ngegaba from a region to a province to a national to a continent yonke umhlaba wonke jikelele ngithi anginibingelele good day to the whole entire world because nginokubona abachecka in but hey checking in from a UK omunye athi ngisembabanye omunye athi ngiseswaziland so ngiyanibingelela nonke ke I hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Happiest Sunday ngiphethe umhlompeyi ngiphethe leadership ngiphethe athi ngiphethe my guy. The last time I laid my eyes and sibe ne session ne out yami bengikahle ngifaka isudu ke kuze amajimbosi bewe 4 or 5 no Pastor Toffee bafake orange afaka amaketang afase ngamachain ashaya speech sakhe wakhuluma indaba ethusayo. I hope niyobusiseka fanda njaya mu grand
ngimnandi bhuti wena
injani freedom itaste kanjani
unexplainable my friend
hey mfethu
yeah
yes
silinde iminyaka eminingi.
Yeah.
No, 12 years yonke ngilindile.
Yes.
And I know indawo sibuya kuyo. It's not a good place.
Yeah.
But for me it was one of the best 12 years I've ever had in my life.
Hey.
Because I managed ukuthi ngihlale ngikhulume nami. No. Indawo le izokunikeza izinto eziningi.
Yeah.
But there's one special thing about that place.
Yeah.
It offers you time to reflect.
Quality time.
On your own life.
Yeah.
You know, and you can't find it anywhere.
Yeah.
La ngaphandle kune noise eningi. Kune noise eningi. So mongabanga nesikhathi sokuthi uzilungise da.
Yeah.
Uzoba ne-ghosting ngoba kune-noise.
Yeah.
And la wonke umuntu free yabona akuna ukuthi uzothi hey isikhathi sokulala uyarasa or indaba uyarasa yabona. So
wakhuluma enye into
for the first time I valued the 12 years I spent inside because it gave me an opportunity to view life differently. You know, yes, it wasn't the first time in Yada. You know?
Yeah.
We'll touch that.
Yeah.
Touch on that at the later stage.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
It wasn't the first time, but every time I went there, I had issues.
Yeah.
You know, issues blaming other people. Why simo sami siyesaba kanje. But I realized mengipakwa for this one now. I think 6 years at trial. I had time bengenza izinto lengimokola yabona. But kwafika isikhathi man ukuthi no man. Angiye emakhulukudu.
Yeah.
Right, kwenzakala something ngendaba zeyimokolo.
Yeah.
Yabona mina ngishaya umthetho ejele. Zange ngawushaya, zange ngawuncanywa nje, azange nje yabona baye bazama ukungiconvince. Yabona umunye wathi ebheka bror muze ngapha uzoba na yonke into yabona. Ngiyacela ukuthi ngicela ungawugwaye. Then I said man ucela ukungitshela ukuthi ngizoba na yonke into mara mawucela wena awunayo ucela mina yabona. So ngabona ukuthi man ngathi ngiyagetshengwa la yabona and ngiyangivume ngoba eyami ngaphandle ayingivumeli ukuthi ngigetshengwe yabona isitifiketi sami sangaphandle asingivumeli ukuthi mengifika la ngigetshengwe yabona. So I went to the single cells salwa nomunye umfo we-Air Force salwa for indaba zezole yabona angenza ibhari sagura ngaye single cell. So when I got to the single cells, that's when I got ample time to reflect. Yabona ukuthi ngiyaphi, am I going to go out again being the same person engingene nguye na? And then I decided ukuthi no yazini ngizogeleza. Hey manje saki ne ayisaki ngihleli la angikwazi ukufocusa entweni zesigela yabona. I then sat down, try ukuthi ngilwise indaba esakhe. So it took me 6 years ukuyilwisa isakhe. Alright, prior ukuthi ngizongena kuleyo sakhe bengiphakelwe ijewelry heist eSandton namajita. So la besha ama-Greek mafia umuntu esemshayela sikeni thina ngithi thina senze ispan sethu thola ukuthi esishaya ibhova ibhova limokole esibona ukuthi akurafu sa plan escape off eWynberg bekungenama cameras lela off uyazi bekuwongena uphume nje esabona ukuthi ayibhemile manje don't see GR hayi mekumele likhuluma into ekumele likhuluma ukuthi engaphansi time kancane not manje nephela wena uthi ngibuyele ejele muthi not manje ukuthini. I think ngishintsha ama-advocate I6 ama-attorneys I9
belibovu lecala
hayi ungamla ngimokole wonke umuntu eyamajita man siba nokucabana la ngendaba zayo lesibani yabona ngoba omunye uzenza uclever uthathe yonke ingudla watsupela yonke
honor and loyalty
madayimani yonke into nje wayithatha yabona. So amajita phaa kwakucala wona mina mekuphaa kwi-out yokucala sihleli sonke ekhawasi saselebrata ngalokho okuncane sikuthathile umunye nomunye uthenga imoto umunye nomunye uthenga ikari plus 525 ngiyafika laphayana namawuthi nangu sibali uyaboshwa phambi kwethu nomanje mina ngizwani nabo urhata mina nabo urhata nje asizwani ngikhuliswa aborhata so istory nje sihambiselana norhata ngizwani naso mekaphaka lo nyathasha mina same time ngigibela freeway same time ngiyala ngingazi khona ngishayisa imoto. Now 2 days 3 days down the line ngizama ukuthola amajita amafoni avaliwe angisazi ukuthi kwambani manje abana ngikwazi ukubuyela ekhasi urafa angikwazi ukubuyela ekhasi isikhathi esivaya I think baphakwe bonke amajita ngisale mina ngaphandle for 2 years sele ngaphandle baphakiwe bona
itotality yamajita
besi 7
wena was7 wena
mina ngo7 okay kusale lo umunye uShaki asale ngaphandle. Okay uShaki isimaku sakasibali uye umuntu oba connectayo njengoba baphakiwe bakhuluma naye. Okay ngifuna amanamba ngize ngiwathola amajita angaphakathi bafowethu mamelani ngiyabona kulelwe ngiyawuzwa yabona mara umdabulo wami akuze umdabulo phela
ucela amanqina wakho
mara akunaniksi ephakiwe akunamuntu oboshwe
abantu mara
izinto zingaphandle and la ngikhona anyeke ngibaleke ngingenamali ngibalekela kuphi ngingenamali
ngicela okaKhesari
mina ngigayina into zami yabona sizoyibona ntsha ithi sizama ukuphutha ngathi asiphuthi kanjalo ngitshele ukuthi ine yami kuphi ayi yabona indlala manje yenzeka kunye manje sekumele manje ngicabange kancane gibele esinye isitimela gibele esinye isitimela kusebenzeke ngibuye nezinto hayi nyo relax la ngirelaxa
kancane khokha umoya at least
khokha umoya ngelinye ilanga ngiyayehla neholide lami efreewayini mengithi nabo labo clever bagijimise ram efreewayini angithi vele bekuyithesho lethu ram ngiyababona mawuledi ngangimjampiseli ngithi mawuledi wena uyojika le nabo bobraba mithi ngisayikhuluma nabo ngihlike efreewayini i-traffic ibophile yazi ipensikumane ekuseni abo 6 ayafasa ngihlike ngingene ngapha ngithi nginibhekile madoda kwenzakalani ukovijoze estradini ngithi kwenzakalani ngiyabona ngathi ngiyibhekile le nto la ngiyayibona phela bathi hayi sibali ngisiyazambela ngithi hayi nizambile mengithi ngiyabona enye ikara naye futhi ezinye igebe ngithi hayi yabona ngimtshelile nabo mathita la nisesipanini nyangena
ayibona zifile umqondo
yabo bathe hayi sibali ngithi nyangena iphi insimbi ngiyabona la bafuna ukungidlalela igame inyane engekho ngithi manje sebatshelwe yilo sedanyana ukuthi hayi mani ningamsondezi eduze why ngilwela ini umdabuko yabona ningamsondezi eduze yabona esawutini manje ngiyayazi le kara ngithi ukuthi izinto sihlale samayebra wami ikara yakhe ngiyayikena ukuthi uchafa kuphi izinto khona la ekareni ngiphakamisa isita semuva siloku sami ngifaka isandla yabona bengifaka isandla nya mingithi hayi clock ngithi hayi mina sengizoperate ngale
hayi movie straight
ihamba imoto nayo ya off ramp angithi batha bekho sipanini ya off ramp ngifuna ukubona ukuthi wenzakalani yabona awu nawo seba off ramp ngithi awuma chance angithi nithi anikho sipanini hayi so far sivale angithi sengiyazi ukuthi abantu abanjani sasesanokana ngithi phela la efieldini
umehlo mani
ngigijimela phambili ngigijimela phambili imi ngikhuza hluthula mina yonke into yabona offload ngizilahlela kuphi ngizilahlela kugeta le phethe umthwalo sengihleli ngaphakathi bayabona ukuthi man usibali sengidriver lo angithi lo akangazi lo driver phela khumbula ngibathole freeway
upikene
bona bebapikene bayazana manje uyabona ubuso obusha ngihleli naye la epassenger ngiyamtshela shaya imoto sibali masingenele kuzana ngithi ayijika ngapha hayi siyavasa sibali ngijika ngapha sibali ngiyamkhomba ngegani ngithi jika ngapha sibali uyangena usibali
hayi is interesting lesi story
bekangena lapho sibali singena ejari lasedladleni ngifike ngiyawufloada amabox uma 6 amabox ngiyawufloada ngena imoto ngithi ashaya imoto sibali awufuna uku-offloada wena la sibali awusibala athi ngihlisele 2 ngiyahlisa 2 sashaya imoto zami lezi amezifika la ziyangicwaya vele lezi ezikhona besifika la ziyatsho mara wayibuye ngada ngithi anikhulumanga ukuthi siyaphi manje
house mina
ngithi hayi ngithi nimfonela sibali namtshela size kuphi manje nazi izinto asidabuleni ngime emnyango bonke abantu bangale ngime emnyango ngiphethe insimbi lo uyazi ngithi lo uyazi ukuthi kunale nto elengayo engisayifuna ngifuna umdabulo wami yabo utshela lezi amangosta wakubo zibuye eMozambique yazitshela ukuthi kwala akulungi kwalayo loyi utayidlaya loyi utayidlaya loyi ayimnike swilo sa yena famba yabona banginike umtshele sibala sishaya imoto sibala angithi ubonile ngihlike emotweni efreeway anginamoto shaya imoto sihambe siye eBhayarini thatha into zakho hayi sibala ngithatha into zakho sibala sithatha izinto sihambe sithengise ngidabule ngimshiye kwenye indawo nyana lapha nakuthengiswa amakota lapha ngithi ngiyabuya ngishaya 69 out ngibambe local ngibambe ngihambe ngilahleke ngithola icall mina le etanyana uthe sibali kanti manje kwenzakalani ubafana siyakhala bafana sokhala ngani eyathi ubacovile bafowethu nina nisejele nilela
Hayi, khona
akunakuthi
ikhuluma
ningazokhuluma ngezinto ezingaphandle
Yeah.
enhla kusibali umdabulo wamuva phela nyazi la kuleya nto leya
Yeah.
ejewelry
Yeah.
kune-ziplock yamadayimani gcwele amadayimani iziplock mina ukukuningi ngiyakubona yabona ngifa ngalela
Le
ziplock
ziplock le. Yeah.
uda phela lesi block lela kuna yonke into
Asixoxeni ngale nto. Yeah.
yabona sibali izinto usibali abona ukuthi nele inkinga le
Yeah.
bangikhandela uvi
Eish.
basedanyana
Eish.
bakhanda uvi nalo ola ngaphandle uthi wena fonela usibali
Umdo.
umtshela ukuthi kunomuntu obhayisela obukhanya imbawu impahla lo muntu uphethe boma 8 clipper la uma ungakhuluma nge8 clip usibali
Uyomhlanyisa.
uzosukuma
Baselekile,
ngithi amazi strike uzobaza
Yeah.
uzosukuma fast
Yeah.
hayi sovara angibambi esibali kunento la kunomuntu khanya imbawu wat imali yabona
Ukhanya ufishara nasemamovie noyigebengu hayi lokhanya. Hayi ingulube straight. Njayami. Yeah.
imbawu umuntu impahla ngisole mara
Yeah.
yabona ngithi hayi le ntwana le ngiyazi yona iyangicwaya ngeke ngibhayisise yabona
Yeah.
angiyehla hayi sizule bo meyathini yabona
Yeah.
meyathini
Emaplotini le.
hey mfethu engiyabona ukuthi la siyazula musla lo muntu asimboni mus lo muntu wakhona
Yeah.
thiwa hayi ukulendlu le yabona ngithi okay ngiyayibona asihamba okay mina ngine specialty sami
Yeah. Yeah.
yabona mina I'm a good observer that was my specialty
Oh, bakucashele lokho abanye abo transport.
mina ngikhuliswa abogada
The scout. Oh yeah.
Ukhuliswa abogada.
Yeah, ushito. Yeah.
so iphoyisa nyalazi ngilibhekile ukuthi iphoyisa notsotsi I could read ama-body languages wabantu
Yeah.
that's my specialty
Yeah. Ababamba abantu siyafundisa la kule podcast madoda. Utsotsi isho ke simbona kanjani utsotsi iphoyisa silibona kanjani?
iphoyisa remember they are trained these
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
they can't be other people
Yeah.
they are what they are trained to be
Yeah.
iphoyisa
Yeah.
iphoyisa ukwazi ukulijampa nebhathu
Nesidwadlo nje.
Ibhadi,
Nomhambo
uyabona nje,
udeni,
yeah.
Kopornado. Yeah.
ya ukwazi ukumbona ngike ngabona omunye ngayo lento le ejewelry
Yeah.
mebasoloko basifuna
Yeah.
imvula iyanetha umuntu ugcoke i-overall uyabhala
Yeah.
ngada ubhala kanjani lo muntu emvuleni
Emvuleni. Yeah.
imvula iyanetha
I-blank,
umile uyabhala phakathi kwe-Alexander
Yeah.
akuna construction eyenzakalayo musla ngada
Yeah. It's not make sure. Yeah.
kunento engekho right la yabona
Yeah. Bayitsotsi isikauta kanjani?
ya itsotsi yabona ziyahluka lezi
Yeah.
kunetsotsi kunoclever
Nesigebengu.
kunesigebengu
Yeah.
ziyahluka lezi
Yeah. Yeah.
yabona
Yeah.
kunabonyawupesi bayenza
Yeah.
lento zabo
Yeah.
abantu abahlukile la
Yeah.
yabona
Yeah.
kunabantu mebayejozi they dress well yabona
Corporate. Yeah.
ubona imanager
Yeah.
kanti uzokubamba lo muntu ushaya isutu phethe i-laptop laphana coffee shopini ubhizi ngathi userious laphana
Yeah.
kunento
Amasimba,
ayenzayo
yeah.
yabona
Yeah.
kanti awubheke umadam laphana
Nobrola.
nobhasi kunobrola laphana
Yeah.
umlungu loku uphuza itiye uyabona
Yeah.
nale pinga
Amehla la.
nale pinga meliloku likhipha amakhala amaningi
Uyalizuma, yeah.
sesiyabona ukuthi ayayilo alikwazi ukukhipha amakhala amaningi kanje alikwazi ukukhipha amakhala
Yeah.
yabona leso sikhathi omunye omunye ethilini
Yeah. Yeah.
wena wababoni bahamba bonke omunye uhlelile
Hey.
omunye ungaphandle
Hey.
yabona
Scoutile. Yeah.
but utsotsi
Yeah.
utsotsi uhlala ajahile
Oh.
utsotsi
no,
uhlala
umehluko.
ajahile
Yeah.
utsotsi uhlala ajahile yonke into ufuna ukuyenza manje angithi unenkinga mhlambe ukuthi kumele abheme
Fix, yeah.
kumele ayenzini
Fix,
kumele
yeah.
ayenzini yabona
Yeah.
so uclever
Yeah.
urelaxile
Oh.
uclever akajahi
Oh. Hamba
uclever
nawe.
uyakwazi ukufunda for 6 months siyakwazi
Ish.
kula ma-expertise
Kunamandla,
wawethu
yeah.
anokuvela khona kusho ukuthi amajita abanokuthi meba-scoutile isipani sabo
Yeah.
babona ukuthi nokunento esingayiboni kahle akutholakale
Yeah.
umnikazi wamehlo
Yeah. Yeah.
njengoba ungibona ngineyikala emehlweni
Yeah.
ya amehlo ami bewafuneka uye ubruru lo munye usedanyana u-Orla manje kuthiwa lo muntu lo
Hayi
amehlo
man
wakhe
uthini? Le crash lezi
Yeah.
zine story.
zine-story
Hey siyakuzwa. le story.
akunamaki esemzimbeni wami ingena-story you know
Yo. Yeah, ningena emaplotini. Asibambe la
Singena eplotini.
Yeah, uzosifaka icrashini lezi. Yeah.
mengiseplotini la ngiyabona ukuthi nema na ngithi bafana basemzini asikwazi ukuthesha manje kusemini musa iplot sojampa kanjani mina nyaka sijampela mina kusemini
Yeah.
asambeni sobuya
Yeah.
sambi ebusuku mesibuya yabona uNkulunkulu sinokubona ngathi akekho kanti ukhona namadlozi wakini
Eish mfethu.
ya bakubhekile ngaso sonke isikhathi yabona mase yongena la eplotini Champasa
Yeah.
sithola igate livuliwe siyazingenela but by God's grace kunomuntu uhleli lapho uyankawuza simboni thina angithi kusebusuku usibhekile sangena la lo muntu uthesha la umangele ukuthi abobani manje labantu abangena ngala asangena one speed ngiyababamba so mina lezi zinto ngizozibamba sengiphakiwe
Yo.
boshwa mina ngiwanda angithi mina ngistering ngihamba phambili
Yeah.
ngihamba ngigoleka bonke abantu
Ayisa.
ngibabeka endaweni eyi-1
Ayisa.
i-double story nyana so
Yeah.
mengiyehla nomuntu okugcina lo muntu lo ngimbhekile so ema-stepsini
Yeah.
it looks like ulele phezu kwa-something
Eish.
akalalanga flat yabona ngathi kunento ayilele
Lele phezulu kwelitsho
ya something yabona
Yeah.
but angiyinaki la yini mengiceda ukumdlula lo muntu asukuma ngishaya nga-something ekhaya blackout
Yo.
kanti loyo sibonile mesingena seka
Fonile.
abogata
Ay.
shoot abogata baze 10 seconds later
Yo.
ngibholile angisenamahlo mehlo
Hayi man.
shoot
phinda
labantu
futhi, man.
labantu mekangishaya ngalento
Yeah.
baba busy namehlo wami
Ey
Yabona?
chief. Same labantu batha
labantu sebathole la
esani.
ngiyaphakwa mina ngizo-understanda ehof angithi oledi la mogata
Oh.
oledi
Story
lami
sa di man sihlangene.
oledi lami mekazo-communicate ne-I.O
Yeah.
sifuna ukusebenza indaba zamabhorhe manje
Yeah.
ukuthi mani lo
yeah.
muntu
Uze ifase kangakanani.
ulimele yabona
Yeah.
singayenza kanjani yabona
Yeah.
i-I.O ithi nema something is funny kule nto yalo muntu
Yeah.
labantu laba bebayobabamba abantu bokuhamba bonke labantu and labantu bana one day musibala same day bafike la ilaga labantu la leya ndawo leya umnikazi wayo se-Australia leya ndawo has been vacant for 2 years so how is it a coincidence ukuthi ivulwa ngamhlanje sekune-robbery
Ayisani.
kanti yabona bengikhandelwe
Ayisani.
ya batswana ba re ke sekonkoromaiye
Yeah.
ya ne ba nkeleditse sekonkoromaiye gore ke tlo kena ka moo le ba mpodise kube ngathi ngipodele kuphi
It's yeah.
yabona hawu imagistrate ithi ifuna ama-complainant
Yeah.
ngoba sebayithintile kancane ukuthi man something is off
Yeah.
complainants are nowhere to be found
Yeah.
they couldn't come to the police station to give statements the house is vacant
Obani laba bantu? Yeah.
who are these people phela mina ngivele off or epolice station
Yeah.
oleli lami ngathi lizile la ngifuna la before bangikhiphe ihosi
Yeah.
ngoba ngihleli kuyikhoma I think for 2 weeks
Good.
afterward
Hey mfethu.
so me bangikhipha epolice station oleli lami la lifika libagaye igama lami Nicholas Manini Sithembiso Lengwati bathi no bangigaye linye igama bathi ngu-Aglia Samtori
Ay.
ngu-Aglia Samtori Nase-off mengivele off clear some story mina ngimile la ngaphansi ngivuvukile ngingaka. Ngimile la clear some story ngicela nguzwa ngephoyisa lithi hey you come man. You see?
Your fuck on a Clears.
No akusimi lo muntu ukhuluma ngathi hey
nazi izinto
iphepha lokubakulethile
ubani okukokotile wachange number fast
angeni nix mina ngimile la off ayi ngiyaphakamisa isandla no angikwazi nokuringa grand yabona kuthi man kune flop man igama leli man it's not my name this one but hey step down laba kungathi asayizwa
yeah
ila magistrate aba consent khona ukuthi lo muntu uphika kanjani igama lakhe enta kwenzakalani kule nto le
abokhatha bamphaye kanjani umplace kanjani
ubani lethi docket yeah sebambize docket kwenzakalani la ukhata naye sekayabeka ukuthi man nami le nto yalo muntu ngathi iyangibhayizisa because asibathola ama complainant akusena umuntu kuleya. And when we ask around, the house has been vacant for 2 years.
Yeah.
So that's when ngicala ukufunda.
Yeah.
Ukuthi le game.
Esana.
Le game nginokubona intwana ezincane zifuna ukuyiphaphela zingene yabona. They don't understand ukuthi kunezinye izinto eziningi ezenzakalayo. Abantu bayabhodisana. For inyungu babo
ayisithe inzima ke le yeah yazi nginterested kubi mfethu le issue yamehlo because uyabona uyitouch njengedeka famba yabo ngoba touch and go mawushayeka ngathi then I understand vele uyawaphasa out mara mawulandelela njengoba sebakunikeza yona off bathi kwenzakaleni bebenzani baphethe object sharp object bebenzani emehlweni
till to date I don't know what they did. Nobody knows because abokhata mebazongena la they stopped doing what they were doing. So I don't know nephoyisa lisitshelanga ukuthi isiphoyisa lingithole so bangise hospital because bengibonakala ngathi ngiyabhoda. Yabona bangisusa la hosi fast. But mina I learned later on in life mesengihamba bangithi yazi siyahamba mesengihamba kuthola no inkinga amehlo wami njengoba ngisho ngithi mina i-specialty sami nakuyo le nto leya lebe ngiyilwela uwazi ukuthi ye-jewelry
izibusaka
le nto leya ngithola ama-out mina ngibuye edanyane ePitori mengizospina nama-out usibali usijava uthi kimi esibali kunesipani kudala sesibheka yabona and lesipani sasihlukumeza but sisemolini yabona esantini yabona emolini flop yini la ayimanda isiphithiphithi yabona ipawn shop mari ngaphakathi kwemall kunensize engamla uyufinga tjaro uzovaya naye uyibona okay for the last sihamba sothenga imini Cooper kwezinye intwana ezisipinayo soligcokisa soyenza esinye ispan so mesiyo paka le mini Cooper lo paka kuphi kule media engamla thiwa ungamla ozokubonisa la mina ngicela ukupaka nizovanga le car yale medi wena uzodrive icar emedi imedi drive le mini Cooper mina ngicela ukupaka ezokuthatha ukise la lenzazo mahosha wengamla ishayisa amabhova so da epawn shopping ibhova nyana para kusela intwana yebhova ishayisa itime layo ishayisa nalentwana yabona sharp sibuye mesibuya sise parking lot mina ngitshela ukuthi ungena la ngaphakathi kwemall manje kanti le pawn shop ila parking lot just entrance in yabona ngaphandle kanyana
njengala VIP dry clean lapha phansi ngiyabona ngiyakuthola
khona la sekwenzele VIP dry clean
yesikhulele Jozi man
yabona hawu kunomambovu umila ngaphandle yabona sisekarini nalenzaza kukuphi hayi kulapha kulapha And then kungenwa kanjani la ngiyambuza uyangitshela ukuthi neda uzoshaya ipele bavula bona ngaphakathi
Yeah.
alright
Yeah.
lithi ne mamela wena vaya ungene la
Yeah.
into ongangenzelana ungiphushele lo mnyango wide open so ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ubuya slow or ubuya kanjani
Ayi nawa la mehlo ngeke uzwa ke manje.
avule angene mekangena hayi nyawubona ukuthi unale
shocks.
une-shock lapha awubuya kancane ngithi hayi mnandi -1
Yeah.
sengiwariti ngani ngelihlo kunelihlo emnyango
Yabamba yeah.
yabona
Yeah.
ngiphume ekareni ngilanda umambovu uyankawuza
Yeah.
ngikhiphe ikhotli ngicela i-age
Ish.
umambovu ukuthi just ngibe
Yeah.
ngikwazi ukubona
Ama-angle,
lelihlo
yeah.
ukuthi lelihlo kwambani ngalelihlo
Ibhola or ilihlo nje
Yabona?
ngiyakuthola.
mengifika ngithola ukuthi Orion ileza zemzuku igcwele
Black and white.
igcwele idust ngiyabona ukuthi hayi lento akunakuthi ngabamba umuntu lento
Yeah. Yeah.
yabona
Yeah.
remember lama out ana 5 months abhekele span mina I just got there that day
One day.
I called them ngabuyela ekareni ngabafonela amathita ahlanganisa namathulusi nikhuphukile kuthiwa no asikwazi ukukhuphuka siyakutshela ukuthi sina 5 months esibhekela yini ayikho grand
Yes, two.
yabona ngithi ne mathita zwakalani
Yeah.
sizothesha no ngiyabona lo ngikhuluma nayo uyangibambezela kunenja yami yabona
Yeah.
kunenja yami umbobo ngibamba umbobo isibali athi asibali ngithi sondela sibali athi esibali ngithi sondela sibali ngiyazi ayingiphikisi le
Yeah. Yeah.
ingithemba fucked up nje from ediskini uyazi ukuthi bengithe singena ku left back
Yeah.
athe ku left back uyazi ukuthi yonke into izoba right hayi so far usibali bagibele basondela ngifonela lensize manje ngaphakathi ngithi awuphumuzela emotweni
Yeah.
athi hayi plus ugazi unginikile ukuthi ngiyothenga icocaine yabona ngithi good was
Intwana le.
lentwana igayi lensize imali
Yeah.
ukuthi
Yeah.
yothenga icocaine isondele lensize mayisondela lensize ngiyamtshela ukuthi mamelake mawubuyela ngala mengingakubhaza ungaphenduli ifoni ngizokubhaza
Yeah.
mengukubhaza wena uyenze ngathi uphendula ifoni uphumele ngaphandle ukhulume ile nkathi thina sizwe wena uyenza right ngivula umnyango wide open asifuni ukucela labantu basivulela
Hayi. Nibe niyathatha ama notes lapho ukuthi bantu bamba
Yabona?
kanjani. Yeah.
hayi so far amajita afika amajita manje ngapha kunama steps ngithi yabona kunalama steps
Yeah.
amajita ane-stress manje ukuthi esibali manje phela la siyaphawa sesibali noma mbovu nangu umela ngithi yekani
Sentini ngapha. Yeah.
thinda umambovu
Yeah.
the only thing ezenza ukuthi niboshwe if uzogijima
Yeah.
or
Bangumsindo.
uzoba nervous uzophakwa ngibabona ukuthi labo bazongibambezelene mina ngilambile yabona donsa usifiso esibali mamela singena soyithula laba babamba iposo la ngaphandle
Yeah.
and ngibabambisa iposi kuphi la ema-stepsini angibafuni basondele kumambovu ngoba ngisabathembi ngoba
Yeah.
umambovu
Bangamyela
utrayiniwe
dabuka.
phela
Yeah.
umambovu
Yeah.
angaze abone
Yeah.
ubunervous kubo
Yeah.
yabona sifisa athi umjojo ngibhazele lensize ivula umnyango uma ivula umnyango iya ngasesayidini lakamambovu umambovu uhleli ngale ngasekhoneni akasaboni manje ngapha emnyango mebavula singene
Nali shocks. Yeah.
singene mesingena ngishona straight mina kuphi e-ofisini lo usafuna uku-understanda ukuthi kwenzakalani hayi ngikhiphe impongo nyane watch hayi watch ngimhlalisa pha ngithi hayi how are you ubheka mekabheka mekathi uthi awuthola ukuthi ayisengikanje ngithi beka izandla zakho phezulu
Khotbani
kwetafula
wabodakhi la.
yabo ngithi beka izandla zakho phezulu kwetafula
Yeah.
singayenzi imovie yabo
Yeah.
don't try and be Bruce Willis.
Yeah.
Just sit as you're sitting.
Yeah.
I'll come and help you. Just show me where the safe is, the money is, and everything. And manje ipoto nalo livulekile. Akusadingi ukuthi alivule, livulekile ngiyalibona. Nalo livulekile ipoto, sengifuna elinye ipoto. Angithi senginestori ukuthi kunelinye ipoto. Lensize ngitshele ngalo. Mara ayitshelanga ama-outing ngale poto. Lensize. itshela mawuthi ngale bhotela groot
Yeah.
eliphethe yonke into manje mina mesila ekareni angithi ngiyaluka nyam-ayina sengimbonile ukuthi uyabhema nokubhema uyenzani so easy uku-ayineka
Yeah.
yabona ngitshela ukuthi hayi lapha emva kwefriji kunelinye ibhodo ngale ngasefrijini angasondeli futhi ngale kunesibhamu ngale yabona senyamtshela-ko ngamla shap ngiyalibona le bhodo sibhizi ngalo ngicela ungivulele ifriji athi let me go ngithi no I'll help you just sit I'll go there's something behind the fridge mus
Yeah.
athi ngithi khuluma phela
Yo.
athi hayi ikhona into lapha so vari ngidonse yabona lo muntu mekaclaime wafutlaime ijewelry ye-7 meter madala umnikazi wendawo
Yo.
use-Italy
Yo.
akekho ekasi
Yeah.
umadala uzwa sekawuzwa ukuthi
Shubile.
kushubile
Ayisana.
kanti yazi le ntwana enzini ngam kunezinto ezicinile bekasazovala ngithi yena
Yeah.
bekayela ukuyovala
Yeah.
kunezinto besekazikhiphile azifake ekareni
Ayisana.
seka-eda naleza zinto
Ushaya
elistini
umadala,
sekashaya
ayisana.
umadala manje
Ayisana.
ithayima lakhe izinto ikwala ukuthi umadala ushaya
Ushayele.
Insaiza yakhe.
Yo.
fast forward baphaka amajita kwenzakale zonke lezi zinto lezi kuplano manje ukuthini sekumele ngibhodisiwe manje mina
Aish.
for umdabulo wami
Aish.
sharp njengoba sengiphakiwe
Aish.
la ngikhishwa khona amehlo
Yo.
kumele ngikhishwe khona amehlo
Yo.
kwenzakala ukuthi sengivukelwa yile cala labo manje
Ah. Oh, ubuyela kanjalo kulesikelemu.
ngibuyela kanjalo-ke manje sengizolandwe off
Eish.
kuthiwe lo muntu afuneka
Ilenga
magistrate
somewhere.
and sekumele ngitole kule nto leyo ama-complain awekho angithi
Yo.
sekuvela urhata lapha lo muntu afuneka
Ayi.
Wynberg court
Ah.
ngiyaphakwa Wynberg awu sengiyahlangana amajita first day yami eSun City
Yeah.
awangiboni angithi ngilimele ngifaka amabhandishi angikwazi nokukhuluma ngiyababona amajita ngiyawahuruta amajita ngiyasho ukuthi bazabona ngeteyi mhlawumbe ukuthi nango
Yeah.
hayi bandlula amajita bangithatha bathi A1
Bokubiza bana amajita.
unja
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
yabona A1 mengifike A1 kuhlalekile laphana ngiyabohlanyana ngiyaphola yabona sengiyakwazi ukumuva ngiyasuka enye A2 ngiyohlangana nawo manje lamadoda sekumele siyikhulume straight manje le nto le
Sinibhekene. Yeah.
ngithi ngiyangena laphana nangibizela ukapteni uSibali kula ngibone khona ukuthi kahle la
Ayi.
kune-flop yabona mina ngifuna ukuyohlala namajita
Ayisana.
ukuthi sikwazi ukuyilungisa yonke angithi sengithajiwe phela for lento
Yeah.
sengiyothathwa for lento
Ngigqoka
le.
uzoyigqokela na.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
sekumele soyikhuluma manje
Yeah.
ukazi ukumoka labo gada ukuthi ngingazohlala resection at one stage uzubhadala nomuntu
Ayisana.
ukuthi angifakele poison ekudleni
Yo.
ngimvale siye off ekuseni nangu lo bafu uyangitshela amadlozi wami amsindile ungitshelile
Yo.
ngimbuza phambi kwakhe ngithi nangu bafu uthi wena uthi angifakele poison guess what he does the same day he goes and he still pays the lawyer for that guy if I say to you this guy says I must kill you are you still going to pay me ubhadale lawyer kula ngibone khona ukuthi la kune-flop
Yeah.
yabona okay sathende almost 3 years yabona kuze nale plani lokubaleka
Yeah.
balikhanda babodwa angikho mina ngithi ngihlala kwenye section
Yeah.
balikhanda kanti le plan still iplan lokungibhodisa
Ayo nama life ayi9 chief. Kati straight.
yayibona kumele kube ngathi singene emotweni ngishayeke emotweni bazibophise bona
Ayisana.
without mina according to uSibali without
Liphelile
mina
isakhe.
isakhe liphelile
Ah.
awu ngelanga lokubaleka manje sekumele uhanjwe
Yeah.
thengwa ama-whisky lapha wafu phuzwa ama-whisky lapha ngibabhekile angithi manje nami nezami namadlozi wami angitshela ukuthi kunezinto kungasondeli kubo yaba mara ngidonsa usifiso esibali ngiyawuzwa nithi kuyahanjwa yaba kanjwa kanjani angithi mina nginalento yami I'm a risk analyst yabona ngi-analyze ama-risks all the time angitshela usibali sithenge siza le yamazenke kuyosika itruck sojampa itruck ihamba hawu sibali nojampa itruck ihamba itruck musihamba nga-120 160 maybe lesansithi niyojampa kanjani itruck ihamba usho ukuthi niyophuka usho ukuthi nina nibaleki grand niye-hospital ngesitayile ayi abona usibali ukuthi ngimfakele into ekhona ukuthi akunamuntu ozofly itruck ehamba athi manje senza kanjani ngithi hayi thi ngibekele ama-differences wethu aside yabona ngibadonse emergency leyenu hayi ngeke sibala athi awucalile yabona calile lento zakho wena ufuna ukuphikisa yonke into ngithi hayi awuzilaleli wena sezingenile nembazo ingenile ungene nembazo ngebhareli yabona ibhareli le ye-KFC ingene nebhareli kuyini una yonke into abokhata abadakiwe ngaphandle bathengele utshwala wonke umuntu udakiwe neyiboshwa sizinika utshwala zidakiwe ngitshele le ntwana enye le bebathi ngibulale nitshele ukuthi mamele iphoyisa amelivula umnyango lidonsa inyawo elinye ithayima lilumkhaba ngathi wena udonsa le thayima inyawo manje
iyashintsha iplan
kwenzakalani manje usophuma kanjani ngoba ngithi angithi lo muntu uphethe isikhiya mara lesikhiya sivula la ngithi anikho observant lesikhiya sivula the gate sivula negate
start to finish
lesikhiya lesi ngithi sifiso wena mekavula uthathe lesikhiya uvula lapha uwazi bonke abokhata abangaphandle baphuza utshwala barelaxile kusele lo obhala le list i-OP book wenza ilist ukuthi sibuyele ejele kusele yena nouye umuntu onensimbi firearm ingadayo ofisini but diamond akakwazi ukudubula enyameni because if kungenamuntu ophethe firearm akakwazi kumele adubule phezulu yabona so akunamuntu ophethe firearm hayi so far kwenzakala vula iminyango mekuvula igate laba bayawuzwa ukuthi kushubile la ngapha and bayaphuza labo yabona badakiwe bebathi bayasukuma loya wenzani ubona igate livuleka uyasho ukuthi asebahamba ashaye mekashawushani shaya igate mekashaya igate laba bawe balale phansi bacabanga ukuthi yini hit kanti iloya ubra wabo ophethe igani ama-out abaleke wazi Alexander emva kwehof ibarracks yabukhata usifiso ngimtshela esibali la nithi niyakhona ungayi la athi yaphi ngithi uphuma ngaphakathi kwehof songena phakathi kwehof sophuma iminyango
straight la singene khona
la kungenwa khona yabona so var siphume vele ama-security angikhiphe phuma sesevala ngiphume okay mina ngithi benginezinto zami engazishiya zilenga ngaphandle namanje ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyakude manje la if ngingalandeli lezi zinto zibe seduze ngikwazi ukulwa lento le so far ngiphume ngilanda izinto ngizibeke eduze olady libalifonela olady lambe lisendleleni lingilethela igawu lehof melifike hof olady lami lithola ukuthi lo muntu namanje ukhata sekugcwele abokhata bo-Macintosh bagcwele lapha ehof wonke umuntu wazi leso sikhathi sathenda nalaba bafana be-Razor Gang yabona nema-Razor Gang abalekile nawo wonke umuntu ubalekile laphayana yabona mebafika kuthi lo muntu wakho akasekho phela wambili yabona olila lisahlanganelwa manje selifonela abantu animbonanga ngiyakomunye umuntu wami ngifika ngizichafa la lo muntu wami naye ugcine ngisehof ekuseni bekasehof uzwile i-remind go back to prison manje umangele sengila manje eyangishaya ngengcondo ngathi yaphuma ngi-arrest ifoni yakhe ngithi ayongithengela ama-Heineken i2 uyaphuma ucela ifoni la wazi amanamba olile la uyalitshela ukuthi nangu sibali la kuthiwa hayi hlamhlalise lapho yabona umagogo afika athi hayi man sibali
ngeke ndoda hayi umthetho awuvumi ya
kumele ngikubophe phela mina manje kumele uboshwe yimi nemagogo
awuthi isizi izohamba kanjani
amagogo sokungamani ungidubuleke hayi phela uyangilethe uwe emhlabeni avele ungicedelele nyahamba ke mina kanti uma uledi sekafonele nenyankile umlilo yabona sekafonele enyankile yami ukuthi hayi yiyo aziyo ukuthi le izongikama down yabona ayafika uankile bafo ngithi bafo asingakhuluma into ezibhangi ngifuna ukuya eLesotho athi okay shabhangi ngak-organize ukuthi eLesotho mara ngadanye kwenza lezinto bakubonisa ngada ama-China lawa agcwele ngada azokukhipha lezinto zakho lezi uzenza
ngeke isebenze
ngithi manje athi hayi mana ithi ngifonela uGhata uBraham uGhata ophethe isakhe ambhelele ongithi ufind out ukuthi i-sister yami ezemva kwami ithayima lakhe ipartner yalo Gata kule same sakhe but umadala sekayagula akekho la around yabona hayi uGata ate man ubafo man siyamfuna thiwa hayi nangu bafo khuluma naye nangu ngiyalitshela le Gata nebheka yi bagayile inyuka ngithi wena complain yogayile inyuka ne-prosecutor bayigayile inyuku nama-GR wethu niwagayile inyuku so nina nifuna ukungilalisa okay mina inyuku yalabantu anginayo nginokiwe ngapha nina nifuna ukungilalisa thiwa ne man mamela sizoyilungisa lento wena uma ungazisondeza namhlanje yabona si-ayine ankeli nginikeza izinto ukuthi mina uzongithengisela la ukuthi at least izinto zami zikwazi ukuthi ngihlale
muna soyasarenda xa uyozenda ini vele
ngivayile ngazenda ini angithi manje same day angithi manje yabona ezinye izinto sinokuzenza ngathi sihlakaniphile kanti uNkulunkulu uhlakaniphe ukundlula thina mina angithi I didn't know ukuthi had I followed them the rest perhaps I wouldn't have been alive. I would have died. And they would have surrendered and taken themselves back to prison. Icala lichithwe yonke into bayikhombe kubani kulo file. Ngithi yazi game ihamba kanjani. Kutathi nasazi next iloya. Yabona? Sharp ngizende in. Mengifike off. Ngiplead guilty to escape. Ungaplead guilty ngithi ne. Angifuni into ezongihambisa nani ihof ngizozama ekuyicala lethu kuphela ihof yabona masifike ejele khulukutu obvious escape angithi khulas sengihlale emakhulukutu i-out imoko le-prosecute ubra wakhe vele vele izinto mesiphakwa besiyenza itayela naye ate requisitionani lo muntu abuye kulento escape i-judgment seyiphumile kimi enginikiwe i-suspended uyabona angisekho mina kulento escape uyabona mara nya requisition mengifika reception requisition what escape yani ngihlale phezulu kwentaba lapha reception
mona uplide guilty mona
ningazongidakela nina
kunovina
yabona ayi bahamba igcina ingena nama-error commissioner mslendaba
ukuthi wani funa umhlehlisa ngenkani dimane
3 requisitions mekufikwe off kuze kusuka i-advocate yami izowathatha la ejele mekufikwe off signature akuna signature ematcha any prosecutor kulama requisition yabona
mona yini bebafuna ukukapa endleleni
iplan
uphumile ngedanyana
as long as mina ngiphumile kuzwenzakala something
mayiqala lento ukuthi kahle kahle ushaya ubhova wena lento ihlanganisa lo muntu ukuthi unepower lo muntu omshayile
yabona mara akusilo muntu osimshayile ofuna ukungincuma
yile gang
uyiwani umuntu ofuna ukungincuma ema-outini uyobambe izinto zikuye matayimani mawashi yonke into uyiphethe kuye
le story series nyana man siyafuna nyana Netflix nyana
yabona
Showmax.
yabona mo ubukela omunye umuntu wathi ngisejele wathi ngibukele Kings of Joburg.
Yeah,
The first episodes, if
Yeah.
you know that,
yeah.
that's the, I even
Hey,
thought
mfethu,
ngathi la man
mfethu.
upayise
I-concept
istory.
yakho, yeah.
I thought
yeah.
ngathi la man upayise istory
Isiphithiphithi
because
senu lapha, yeah.
lento leya yinto yethu the way ngakhona akuna
Yo,
nix
yo,
eshotayo la.
yo.
I fast forward baphuma ama-out baphuma bangicina ngisala ngiyi-1 kulelo sakhe ngiyaluwina siyadola siyaphuma ngaphandle
Yo.
9 months down the line ngiyaphakwa ke ngale njengoba sizohlangana
Hey
la.
shimfethu. Ile
Ngiyaphakwa.
12, le 12 piece le.
ya ngiyaphakwa mengiphakwa ngithola ukuthi hayi ngiyadabula i-prosecutor
Yo.
40 ngifuna 40 ngiyamnika 2 weeks down the line iyafona 8,000 tshela abantu bazothatha imali yakho
Ikhona into enjalo kwahlanza umuntu.
icomplain manje leya
Ayish.
imafia
Ayi.
seliyabuya
Ibuye
selizwile
ngamasiko.
ukuthi nangu ubambekile selenzani selidabulele wonke umuntu tot ne-magistrate manje ukuthi
Lo
akahamba
akagibela imfene
Yabona?
uyanya lo
plus
ya.
nobani manje u-achoose sekangaphandle ngithi phethe yonke into kuye no-achoose ulande prosecutor same prosecutor you can't believe I tried to recuse the magistrate 3 times
Yo. Ukuthi ubiased lo
the
muntu. lo.
magistrate said
So
I
le
don't
nto zenzeka ukuthi ubest uma uyibukele uyasho ukuthi enkosi yami
Yeah.
ngiyawazi lo mvango.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Magistrate I don't remember your case. It's impossible. It was the biggest case.
Yo.
It is the case that brought cameras into this court. So you can't say you don't remember.
Yeah.
Mamela ngikwetshwe i-prosecutor yala nangecopy ephelele docket. But ngagwetshwa.
Yo.
So mengigwetshwa that's when before that I even took a conscious decision.
Yeah.
ukuthi I'm going to change my life. I'm no longer going to live that kind of life.
Siyayivala mfethu uyivala kahle uzanayo.
Yabona?
Yeah.
I started studying. Mengifike eSunCity baceda ungigweba.
Yeah.
Ngayimokola mina edraf. Imokolwe yimi ke.
Ukuthi ngiyavaya.
Ukuthi ngiyahamba yi.
Yeah.
Ngihamba ngeloku up ngiyofunda.
Yeah.
Remember that time ngigcine 1995 ukufunda ukuthi ngiyafunda.
Yeah.
Ingqondo yami istakile, ingqondo yami igcwele ibhamu, igcwele yonke lento le. Indaba encwadi enye, indaba endala.
Yeah.
But I was so determined to change my life
Yeah.
and wanted to be a beacon of hope to my kids.
Yeah.
To one day
Nice.
they will have to sit
day.
with their dad
Yeah.
and complain and you know akhale nje mekune complain nje anayo empilweni. I wanted to have that. Moreover, I wanted to redeem i-old lami because she has been through a lot because of my behavior.
Doings, yeah.
You know, impilo yami was not one of the best lives. You know, and I said to myself, I'm going to make sure. You know, I read a book about here's this guy who I just forgot his name.
Yeah, I know that's fine. Yeah.
That says society can predict, but only I can determine
Yeah.
my destiny.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
So whatever people say about me or whatever has happened
Yeah.
in the past cannot determine where I end up tomorrow. Because I also understood kutama decisions bengiwathatha lesa sikhathi. They were the result of where I was at the time.
Yeah.
So hence when we were together,
Yeah.
it was very high.
Eish.
You know, I shared a piece that once in one's life, one must make a grab of immortality.
Yeah.
And immortality is something bigger, something better,
Yeah.
you know, and you design a whole new destiny for yourself,
Yeah.
you know. And that's what I opted to do now. It's very tough. It's not easy. You know, there's countless men out there who were with us inside who have dedicated their time in studying and changing their lives.
Yeah.
And most of them we come out here and your past comes back to haunt you, you know.
Yeah.
Ngihambe ngaya take a lot
Yeah.
manje because ngicabanga ingcosi zami. Umadala ngithi bengipayisa izinto ngaphakathi ngithumela imali. Manje ngila ngaphandle. Ifuna amateki, ifuna this, ifuna that. I went to take a lot. Immediately, awunakar, na ikar. You take a lot, this is hami.
Yeah.
I applied, they called me. I went for an interview. They said, but Chief, you've got a criminal record. Yes. Angithi mina, I want to be an honest person. I've changed my life according to me.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be honest with people going forward. Yes, I do have a criminal record. This lady says, but it's a problem. We can't take you here. I then said, I looked around and I see a whole lot of people from Congo everywhere. They working for Take a Lot. I then asked, how do you check their criminal records in South Africa if they are not wanted in their countries? No, we have a company that does that for us. I'm saying, no, it's impossible. For Congo to have a system like South Africa where criminal records are checked, it's people are bombing each other there. How can they have that system there? And then I realized ukuthi kunamachita phaya asenkingeni manje ngoba bafundile banama degree banani but they can't put them to use. You know. So hence I started saying, let me get hold of this gentleman. You know, and let's see how can we sit down and try and help these guys. Abafana nathi ababuye danyana kunamachita phaya abuye danyana. Abasama nama-company banana. How do we help our fellow men from relapsing? Because believe you me, meka ngasakwazi ukuthi athengele incosi yakhe something naye azibhayile something or aze ne-vorce nyana etrethaye kanyana laye mani uzobuyela kule nto ayaziyo uzobuyela kule nto ayaziyo. You know, I didn't share something with you, but we will do it sometime. The genesis of my life, how it all began. Inkatha, ANC war.
You know? No, part 2, definitely we're going to cover that.
That's where everything started. And many of people our age, their parents lost them at that time. And after the war, I don't think IFP went and looked for the people it gave arms to attack other people, or ANC went and looked for the people they gave arms in Malokshin to try and say, can't we take you for therapy? You know, at the age of 13, I learned to shoot a person, at the age of 13. But nobody cared to go to right na.
Awungitshele umhlobo bani?
I'm half Tswana and half Swati. Papa ka ke Mokgatla. Mma ka ke Moswati.
Right. Umama usasekhona?
Ukhona. Time ayilo legalazini.
Big up. If there was anything or a message ofuna ukuyikhuluma kuyo lady, 12 years, how many months konje uyile?
Ngilanda 2 ayin.
2 years manje. 24 months. Old lady, if there's any message, no le yofika nje vele ngomlayezo ophuthumayo le. Uma old lady mfethu usenza njani ama flop wethu amaningi nani, but you owe it to yourself.
All I can say to her is thank you for being the best mom that I never got a chance to enjoy the greatness in her. She's a very strong woman, a very powerful woman. If it was not of her, I wouldn't have been sitting with you here. I've made countless mistakes, a string of mistakes. But she never said, Agahambe. You know? But every time, there's one thing she did. And I always thought, Uyang Zonda, she hates me so much. You know, the issues of me going in and out because I had issues.
Yeah.
Good, she once arrested me. Eh? She once took me to prison. And I didn't understand that.
Yeah.
You know, I couldn't wrap my mind around that because etanyani ngibona abanye abazali babo bathi umuntu rapile ubulela abantu mara umama wakhe ukhona uhamba naye.
Eish.
But I was asking myself, how could this woman do this to me? How could? But I didn't understand.
Yeah.
Ukuthi, she was not happy. Nezinto ezi wrong.
Yeah.
And because of that, I now respect her today. Because what I'm telling my le mfundo engithathe kuyi ngika ingcosi zami.
Yeah.
Bengitshela intwana nami no ibathi inkawuza yini le
I-vape.
i-vapor
Yeah.
idlala ama-dice
Ama-habli, yeah.
idlala ama-dice ngayitshela ngathi antwana mamamela
Yeah. Yeah.
ufuna isikhiya and lesi asifani nalesi esivula ngaso emnyango.
Nehamba youth and young people. Grootman ngiyabonga kakhulu. So emoyeni wami ukuthi asideposit number yakho la. It's important because le issue take a lot. Sikwazi kuyi reverse into thina yona same take a lot ukufonele via because umuntu othi awana live and lead an honest life. So a second chance wokumuntu uyayideserve. Bengimamele even ku 702 bakhuluma ngayo diden ukuthi no lento ye-criminal record sekuyi-excuse kwenye indawo kumele kiwe ayikho i-dustbin yokulahla abantu abaphilayo asibagaya amanamba bese siyayivala
075 037 1356
asiphinde via
075 037 1356.
bandla likamjomani kandaba nitsanzwa yimi banake until the next episode into right ngiyazi nizoyenza ngifuna ukuzi testimony makebuya ku second episode angimbuyisi angakatholi umsebenzi kini keep well and stay blessed salute